Hello, my name is Dr. Frederick Covington, occupational therapist. Lately, I've been receiving a lot of questions in regards to how does my day go as an occupational therapist. And just to give you insight, I'm going to just let you tag along with me today just to see everything that I do in one day. So let's get it started. Leaving home now, let's go. Okay, first stop of the day. So right now I'm going to just make a quick stop this morning at Dollar Tree, or this could be Roses or Target or whatever store have you, just to pick up a few items. I always like to keep things fresh so my clients, patients, students, they don't get bored. So I'm going to run in here, pick up a few things, and we'll keep it going. Ladies and gentlemen, coming at you again. I'm at another setting now. I have 3 schools to see today: a kindergarten school, a primary school, elementary, and junior high. So we'll be seeing students there. After that, it is on to lectures. All right, take care. See you soon. The next thing we're doing is treatment sessions. We are here doing some more treatment sessions, working on proprioception, and we're kicking a heavy ball. Hit it! Hit it! Hit it! Keeping it moving all day. Yet another aspect of my day, working on toileting skills. So many things comes along with being an OT. Right now I'm in a preschool setting and kindergarten. As you can see, days can be excessively busy. So now I am headed to an IEP meeting for a student. So after this IEP meeting, I have a couple of screens that I need to complete, and we will keep it moving from there. See you soon. Ladies and gentlemen, now it is time for lectures. Again, Dr. Frederick B. Covington coming at you from the wonderful and prestigious Howard University. So going in to do some lectures, and we'll catch up in a little bit. Bye-bye. And we are out and about again. So now I am headed to my office in Georgetown in Washington, D.C. to see some clients there. See you. That thing, let's go. Okay, let's do the green. I'll throw it. I'll throw on. Ready? Hey guys, now my day is coming to a close. I have been to multiple facilities and I have seen multiple patients. I've been to my private clinic, and this is just a day in my OT life. So as you can see, it's quite busy some days. Some days it's like this, some days it's not. Some days I am in one setting all day. But I thought I'd just share with you on one of my busiest days. So, hope you got something from it. Now this answers a lot of people's questions about how some of my days go. And that'll be it. We'll see you next time. Take care.